2000 Pontiac Firebird Trans AM. Price 122,75 $. Location Los Angeles. The 2000 Pontiac Firebird Trans AM is the kind of American muscle car that instantly brings back the glory days of raw V8 power and aggressive street performance. Finished in factory pewter metallic with a clean ebony interior, this Trans AM looks like it rolled straight out of the early 2000s performance era. With only 41,643 original miles and a documented one-owner history, this car is becoming increasingly rare in today's collector market. The legendary 5.7-liter LS, 1 V8 engine under the hood is what truly makes this machine special, producing powerful acceleration and an unforgettable exhaust sound. The LS1 helped transform the Firebird Trans AM into one of the most respected muscle cars of its generation. Paired with an automatic transmission, this car delivers smooth cruising on the highway while still unleashing serious performance whenever the throttle is pushed. The dual-polished exhaust outlets complete the aggressive personality with a deep V8 rumble that muscle car fans absolutely love. The exterior styling remains one of the boldest designs Pontiac ever created. The pop-up headlights give the front end an iconic appearance that modern cars simply cannot replicate. The removable glass T-top roof adds a completely different driving experience, allowing drivers to enjoy open-air cruising while hearing the roar of the LS1 engine echo down the road. Integrated fog lights, factory alloy wheels, and the signature rear honeycomb taillight panel make this Trans AM impossible to mistake for anything else. The interior combines comfort and performance in classic early 2000s fashion. The cabin features cold air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, cruise control, and steering wheel-mounted audio controls for added convenience. The supportive seats and driver-focused cockpit create a sporty atmosphere that still feels exciting more than 2 decades later. Even the rear cargo area remains impressively preserved, complete with factory T-top storage bags and original accessories that add extra collector value. The clean Carfax report and over 20 years of maintenance documentation make this example stand out from ordinary used performance cars. More than $8,000 in service receipts show how carefully this Firebird has been maintained throughout its life. Finding a 4th-generation Trans AM with low mileage, documented ownership, and factory originality is becoming much harder every year as collectors continue searching for clean, surviving examples. The 2000 Pontiac Firebird Trans AM represents the final chapter of Pontiac's muscle car legacy, before the Firebird name disappeared forever. Today, cars like this are rapidly becoming modern classics, loved for their aggressive styling, legendary LS power, and unmistakable personality.